Hello dear friends, I'm right now sitting with Daksh Tailia who scored 114. Is that correct, Daksh? 114 rank in JEE Main 2025. And he has been a student of Vedantu for more than 3 years now. And that is not his only credential, or that is not his only claim to fame. He has also won a gold medal in International Olympiad on Astronomy and Astrophysics in 2024. Is that correct again? Yeah. Alright, that happened in Brazil. Okay, so he has been to Brazil to participate in that event and he won a gold medal. Does this rank have any implication on your JEE advanced preparation? Like whatever mindset you have, knowing this rank has changed anything or things remain the same?
Like it helps a lot with my confidence, especially like even in the not only like when you give tests outside of exam conditions like at home or wherever, but it gives like confidence that I can also perform in the actual exam conditions.
Okay, I think that's something
and compete with like.
Nice. I think that's something for our students, for our upcoming students to take note of it, that writing test from home environment is different from writing test by going, in an external environment, sitting there and giving the test there. It gives you confidence when you do that. What has been the biggest challenge that you have faced in your preparation? We are talking about JEE Main preparation. Like you have prepared for multiple exams. I am assuming that different exams come with different set of challenges. So if I talk about JEE Mains preparation, what is in hindsight, like looking back, what do you consider as something that was very challenging for you?
The biggest challenge in JEE Mains for me was like the parts which they would pick from NCERT, like one-liners and stuff. So in the last month, going through all of those, like going through NCERT and finding those places where they can take a line out of and ask, that was the most challenge.
How did you find the content that was given to you from Vedantu to prepare for various exams?
Like the content that's given, it's always some content that the teacher already knows like end to end pretty much. So like they were always like really good questions, and like they covered the entire topic.
Okay.
And we would have like regular doubt sessions also about them, and like we'd get that doubt. They were always like very insightful questions, I guess. Okay. And then also in the tests that we used to give, tests of like multiple formats. One format I don't see it that much nowadays, like in terms everywhere else. So one format is not like JEE advanced format, which is like 3 hours. And then the other format was we used to give 3 separate papers for physics, chemistry, math.
Okay.
So that used to help in building like temperament of solving one subject for like multiple, like a long time, because usually you solve it for only about 1 hour in regular paper.